Welcome! In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 and I'm gonna show you how to connect the Bluetooth headphones to this watch. First, let's wake up the screen on our watch by pressing the home button. After you wake up the screen, swipe up on the screen to open the menu. Then scroll through the menu, find the settings icon and tap on it. In settings, find the option called connections and select it, and then select Bluetooth. And the watch will start looking automatically for the nearby Bluetooth devices. Now I'm gonna grab my headphones, I have them right here, and I'm gonna enter the pairing mode on them. So I'm gonna press and hold the power button. Once they enter the pairing mode, basically the light blinking, I'm gonna wake up the screen on the watch, tap on the scan right here, and it should start looking for the nearby devices. And as you can see, it detected our headphones. We can tap on them to select them, tap on the check mark to confirm, and now the connection is established. The headphones are connected. You can tap on the settings icon right here to do a couple of things. You can unpair the headphones, disable and enable the calls and audio. Okay, and once you're done connecting, you can press the home button to go back to watch face. And that's how you connect the Bluetooth headphones to this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.